Since my review videos and unboxing videos perform the best on the channel, I have decided after a while to present you guys with another one. Now this one is a very special one because you know I'm very loyal to the sports brands and to the activewear brands that I wear. It's always either a Nike, and then the first one that managed to pull me away was On Cloud. But now we have our very own homegrown competitor, one that really hits close to the heart. I was gonna buy this shoe, which is a court shoe, which is very important because you guys know I have a paddle social club called Courtside. So I wear a lot of different paddle shoes, a lot of different tennis shoes on the paddle court. I'm always looking out for the next best one. So I went to the launch event a week ago, but I was gonna pick this shoe on site over there. I stopped and I said, okay, why not do an unboxing? So today I have my hands on the triple white colorway of the built court shoe. Let's check it out. I'm not sure if anybody else has done a review of this online. I'm hoping I'm the first one. These have just started shipping out. First impressions, love this minimalist, very athletic, grunge, industrial packaging that it comes with. Feels very, very high quality, right on first impression basis. I'm going to tell you how much this costs at the end, so stick around for that. But let's check out the shoe itself. Comes with a cover bag, and even Nike doesn't send us these, so love the branding on this. You have built front and center. It's time for the shoe itself. So this is the triple white colorway. You get this in white, you get this in red, you get this in a classic white and blue colorway. I personally love an all white court shoe, very classic, very Wimbledon, very preppy. This really feels quality in hand. This can match up to all of the international competitors when you look at it prima facie. There's a nice feel, nice heft to it. What I also like is that they have this ice blue lace that comes with it. Definitely gonna try that with the shoe. I like to keep it minimal, so just a touch or an accent color works great. This is also one of my favorite colors, so I'm definitely going to try that out in the future. Can't wait to get these on foot. If you see, the grip is really strong with this. The underbelly is highly protected, which you need because on a paddle court, squash, tennis, wherever you're going to use these, you're going to keep sliding around. Takes in a lot of force, so you don't want these to keep breaking. Usually the upper part of my shoe keeps tearing off and then I have to switch to the next one. So hopefully these are very well priced, so I can keep switching out in the event that it does rip. Usually I buy a shoe for like 25,000 bucks and then it rips and then I have to change it all of a sudden. So this has a herringbone outsole, full multi-directional grip. Paddle is a very movement heavy sport, so you're not going to be running in straight lines all the time. You're cutting, you're chasing a bit of ball off of the glass. The multi-directional traction design is perfect for that. The heel counter is molded, as you can see over here. The external TPU cage wraps the whole heel and midfoot and basically locks your foot in for better durability. You can see this is really hard and really strong on the bottom. So when I play with these, and hopefully I can get a game in quick because we can see how these really perform on the court. They also have something really unique on the court shoe. And that is the lateral crash pad. Forefoot and heel paddles brutal on the outside of your foot because of how much you cut sideways. So this is where most of the shoes break down first. They've doubled up the cushioning density right there. Fit wise, a 7mm drop, wider forefoot than a running shoe because on court you need that stability, not a narrow toe box. That's really where your foot gets crumpled together and you don't really notice it in the moment, but later you start to feel your toes hurting or your nails start to get discolored. You end up getting a tennis foot. You got to try and avoid that with a much broader toe box, and my feet are a little bit wide, so this will definitely help with that. The triple whites are already my favorite. You guys can go and check this out. It's available on the website. You get it in a total of 4 colors. I told you which ones. Let's see how this feels on an actual paddle court. So how much would it cost to get these on your feet? That is honestly the real kicker over here, because these retail at 4,500. You heard that right. 4,500 for court shoes. So a really reasonable price point. I don't think there's any other competitor in the market at that price point, which really goes up with the international guys in terms of quality, feel and aesthetic. These are beautiful. Can't wait to try them. Of course, the final verdict and conclusion will come once I actually try them on. Gonna start mixing it up with the colors as well. Go check out the other colors. I'm gonna get these on and I'll see you on a paddle court next.